What up, peeps? I'm going to go over what very basics I have in my bag. Very, very basic stuff. I'm going to start with a face mask. A face mask, I think, is very important when doing any kind of hunting because any kind of predator animal is always looking for them round eyes. I just think that it breaks your face up a little bit. It doesn't have that ovalish type, that big egghead like mine. And I always squint my eyes. Now, when I'm standing there in my saddle, I might have my thing down like this, or most of the time it's like right under my nose, like this. Sometimes it drives my goatee nuts. But if I see something coming, I'll pull it up like this. And I'll try to hide them eyes pretty good, like real slowly. I try to hide them, squint my eyes, and try to hide them as best as I could, depending on how close everything is to me. Face mask. Always carry a knife on your persons and make it easily accessible. You never know when you got to cut yourself out, cut yourself down, cut a rope, whatever. Very, very, very important. Calls. I'm not a call guy. So I might carry one of these, and this thing I never use. I don't even know why I have them. I never use them. I hunt high pressured properties, so these are, I have had them work, but very, very rarely. A lot of young bucks like to react to them. The older, mature bucks, they're like, yeah, okay. So, and I'm talking high pressure properties. I'm not talking about Takamati Ranch or all them big, hunting ranches that breed deer for TV and, the crush and all that crap. You get that little blonde haired girl up there going, she's like playing a flute, and here comes $10 running at her. So that's not real life hunting. That's, that's big money, raising a herd and I'm making a TV show stuff. So, that's that. Calls, rarely use them. Huge necessity in your pack. Everybody should have one of these, in my opinion, especially early season. And if you're hunting somewhere wet or very dark in pines, holly transitions, etc., very damp, you're going to get overrun by mosquitoes, especially early season because you're going to be sweating. It's hot, and this is a must. It works. I love this thing. I always carry an extra haul on. I know I have a gear hoist on my saddle, but I always have in the bottom of my pack. This is laying somewhere. I know I have this. In my pack. Field dressing kit. Pretty much self-explanatory. I do not carry this. I see these guys carrying all this crap in their bags while they're hunting. I don't get why. I know a gentleman that hunts about 100 yards, 200 yards off the road. He carries about 35 pounds worth of stuff in his pack with this in there. Well, I don't get it. Walk back to your truck and get it. That's a handle for dragging deer out. I've used that a ton, man. It really works good. Extra thing. This is all in the truck, this stuff. These are extra mosquito Thermacell. For your Thermacell fuel. These all stay in the truck. Don't carry all that stuff in with me. And last but not least, I'll tell you right now, I carry a flashlight, handheld flashlight. This is in my pack, and then I have a really small handheld flashlight if I need it, and I keep it in my pocket with my knife. Don't even know I have it. This here stays with my field dressing kit. It's for tracking. This is a rechargeable. This is so bright. It's like monster aluminums. So this stays with my light or my field tracking kit. Because that's when I use the only way I use that. These lights here are phenomenal for descending from your tree and climbing. Just put it on backwards, excuse me. But these are very cheap lights, and they work all year long, and I hunt a lot. Simple push button. Some of them have red. You can go through it like that. Yeah, this has red. This has several settings. And here is my absolute favorite. I think these are the best. These are about 400 luminums. The old Energizer headband. Great light, man. Just a great, fantastic light. Guys, that's it. That's all I have in my bag. And that's all, guys, pretty much you're going to need, man. In my honest opinion, I can't see much more than that. I see these guys on Facebook and all these big groups and all that. They unpack their stuff, and you see it laying on the ground, and it's like you're going on some kind of Colorado elk trip. Walking 10, 15 miles a day. I just don't get it. You're going deer hunting in your backyard or your state forest. But it is what it is. That's just how I do it. I try to keep it really simple. I don't want to carry too much stuff or too heavy of equipment because the more you do that, the more burned out and quicker you'll get burned out throughout the years. So all of that stuff you've seen, besides the stuff I keep in the truck, is in my pack or in my pockets. My saddle's on me with my suspenders. My pack is on my back. My bow is in my hand, and I'm heading to where I'm scouting my way in to where I think I want to hunt. If I make it there, so be it. If I don't and stagger off somewhere else on some hot sign and follow it and hunt there, so be it. It's 13.5 pounds my pack weighs, with my sticks on them, with my platform inside it, with my knee pads inside it, and everything else that you see inside that. 13.5 pounds with my bow in my hand, and I'm off to the races. So that's what I use, and hope this helps you guys, and I'm hoping this helps you decide, your new guys decide what you need to get into deer hunting, the little things that nobody talks about. And thanks for watching. And as usual, subscribe and like to the Buck Site. Peace.